Who is it? Know what your problem is, asshole?
Fucking go on with that, goddammit.
Oh, David, don't. I'm gonna call the manager and tell him someone's involved with this.
Why don't you open the door? Play some games, I'll play some fucking games with you. It's a real fucking jerk off. Lock the door.
What? Where are you going?
I'm gonna go take care of this prick.
Everything all right, Mr. Fox?
No, because the asshole in the room right beside us keeps banging on the walls and he won't stop. You got any ideas?
The room beside you?
Yeah, room 3. I go over there to talk to the guy to try and get him to stop, but he just kind of keeps doing it. So, I gotta say, I don't know what his problem is.
That is very strange, seeing as you folks are the only guests I got in here tonight.
Well, somebody's in there, okay? And I gotta say, I'm pretty exhausted.
You sure it's room 3?
Yeah, we're in the corner, right? Number 4, well, it's the room right beside us with the big rusty 3 on it, okay? So I'm pretty sure.
Okay. Every once in a blue moon, a college kid or drifter will sneak in through the window for a good night's sleep. In the morning, the cleaning lady will find trash on the floor or shit in the toilet. Usually, they don't cause much of a disturbance. So.
Well, this one is, okay?
Let me go check it out for you.
And, if those work, I'd think about bringing one.
I am ass tired of shooting the crows.
It's okay. He just thinks it's some drunk. He's gonna take care of it. Did you hear anything else?
No. I was kind of hoping I would, and then I knew what they were.
I'm sure they just saw me walk over there and then they took off. Now we get to enjoy this luxury resort in peace and quiet.
David, maybe we should just leave. Just go back to the car.
I'm not gonna walk anymore tonight, okay? Let's just gut it out here for a few hours. We'll get the car fixed and we can just get the hell out of here. Okay? Okay?
You're not watching that right now.
Oh, why? Look, I'm just gonna unwind a little bit. And make sure the guy from next door is gone. You gotta take advantage of the perks. It's worth the extra $5. Where is it?
God,
What is it?
bathroom's disgusting.
Yeah?
David,
Yes?
the manager guy's definitely going over there, right?
Yeah, with the 6-shooter. Gonna take care of it, so just relax. Gotta make sure his only 2 guests are happy. This looks like we're in a library of classics.